Hi, my name is Jackson Kibler, and welcome back to another Data in the Wild episode hosted by Data Meeting. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below and click the bell to turn on notifications to be the first to know every time we upload a new video. Today we will cover connecting to and joining data sources in Tableau. So what we'll look at is the Superstore Excel file, which happens to have multiple sheets and will allow us to bring in each sheet as an individual table and run the join. So we'll start with the orders table. And if you notice, the order table has order ID. You can see the order IDs here, and the return table has a corresponding order ID. So we can bring the return table in. Tableau will automatically do an inner join on what its best guess is of the ID field. In this case, it's correct, but you can just drop down and change that on each side, or even do a join calculation if you need to. Since we're interested in all orders and just tagging those orders with a return, we will do a left join. And we don't need the order ID from the returns sheet, so we can look at putting this in alphabetical order by table. Returns are on the bottom and the order ID for returns is here. If we hide that, it's the same as putting it in as a deselect in the SQL statement. Now we can jump to the sheet and we have the now joined table with the returned flag along with the orders that are on the sheet. And you can see there is one return here for that order. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to know when future videos are posted. Thanks for watching.